Have you ever wondered how the rich keep getting richer? The secret often lies in multiple income streams. But how does one go about creating these multiple sources of income? Let's delve into this today. To start off, imagine a river. A single river can be mighty and powerful, but it can also be stopped by a single dam. Now imagine a delta, where the river branches off into hundreds of tiny streams. Even if one stream is blocked, the water keeps flowing. Not as a single river, but as a delta with many streams. Step 1. Identify your primary income stream. This is typically your full-time job or main business. It's your largest and most reliable source of income, but it's also susceptible to being blocked by job loss, market downturns, or other factors beyond your control. Step 2. Diversify your income. This doesn't mean you need to start 3 new businesses tomorrow. Diversification can be as simple as investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or any asset that can provide a return. It could also mean starting a side hustle, such as freelancing, consulting, or selling handmade goods online. Step 3. Reinvest your income. As your income streams begin to grow, don't spend all the extra money. Reinvest it back into your income streams. This could mean buying more stocks, expanding your side hustle, or even starting a new income stream. Step 4. Keep learning and adapting. The world is constantly changing, and so are the ways to make money. What worked 10 years ago might not work today. Always be on the lookout for new opportunities and never stop learning. To summarize, creating multiple income streams requires identifying your primary income source, diversifying your income, reinvesting your earnings, and continually learning and adapting. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a strategic and disciplined approach to building wealth. Remember, the goal isn't to work harder, but smarter. Your income should flow like a delta, not a single river. And with time, patience, and perseverance, you can create a strong and stable financial future for yourself. So, go ahead. Start diversifying. Start reinvesting. Start learning. The journey to multiple income streams begins today.